A lot of times when you look at when a coach is removed or let go from a team, uh, it has nothing to do with the players. It's not like the players were, because the coach is not playing the game, so he has no control over that. The only control he has is to influence, to inspire, to hold people accountable for doing what they're doing. But if the players decide not to show up or the players decide not to play, then the coaches let go. And that's the same thing that can happen to you as a project manager. If your stakeholder decides not to play fair, they decide not to really execute on the work, if they decide not to do the proper risk, creating a proper risk log and risk register, if they decide, if they make all of these decisions, is a reflection on you. And now we're going to walk through this my 8 point framework of how I would attack it, exactly what I would do. This is exactly what I would do. No particular order, family, except one of them. There's only one that I have that is a particular order. And I also want to say to family, a lot of times when projects do fail, I know I just said it's your fault, you're accountable, but sometimes you don't have any control over that. What do you mean, ED? Well, what I mean is that you don't have control over if the company decided to no longer to cut the funds that were associated with the project.